Time to invade the jungle and evict the tomatoes. They're going outside for the final time. It's tomato transplanting time. We're back here in the garden, Gear's garden, over here at Gear Garden 19. And today, starting off, we got a 5-gallon bucket with a crack in it. We had it turned upside down this winter. A little bit of water got on top and it froze and it cracked. So what do you use a cracked bucket for? You put some dirt in there and you grow something. The plastic is made of HDPE2. Look it up, use it at your own risk, yada yada. And what are we doing? Well, we need some soil for that bucket. And all these other buckets need to be amended. What is amending? That is where I take out some of the used dirt or used up soil, and I add new soil and I add the amendments. So first off, we're going to take a little bit, probably about, let's start with 3 scoops of each. And after we fill that bucket up, we'll figure out where else we're going to put it. I know some of those containers over there need some more soil. We're loosening the soil up in here in these 5-gallon buckets. I have videos from last year. I have a playlist if you want to go check it out on how I done these. But you look at that, it's turning over pretty easy. We got some trash in there. What in the, some kind of moss? Huh. Pretty easy. I mean, you got to use a little bit of muscles there, but it's not real hard. However, there's got to be a faster way to loosen up this soil. Let me introduce you to Mr. Cobalt, brushless Cobalt, and 3x12 garden auger by Home Buddy. Not sponsored by any of these. Bought them with my own money. Let's see what this can do. Let's see what it can do. Oh man. Oh yeah, would you look at that? Fluffed it right up there. Watch out, frogs. Oh, hold on. Poor little froggies. I'll save you from destruction. Or will I? Nah, we're not gonna destroy these frogs. Not just yet. They can go right over here. This froggy can go right. We'll put him back. Yeah. Oh, Gear, you're making a mess. Well, that's all right. That's all right. It's going on the ground. Would you just look at that ground? Would you look right there? Isn't that beautiful? Let's see if this will do anything to the ground. Oh man. Wait, what is that? That's beautiful. That's some beautiful soil. Oh man. Oh man, that is beautiful right there. Alright, we've got our soil loosened up. We pat it down a little bit so it settled a little bit. Then we dug a hole in there, as you can see. Now it's time to add our amendments. What we're going to do is put a small, we're probably going to do 3 heaping tablespoons of blood meal, 3 of bone meal, a handful of perlite, and a little bit of Epsom salt. Let's say 2 tablespoons, heaping tablespoons. We're going to put them in all these holes, and then we're going to take our little auger deal and stir it around down in there, kind of around, make the hole a little bit bigger, and then we'll put our tomatoes in there and put soil around them and add some more soil on top, and we'll be good to go. Alright, we've got the buckets ready to go. We threw an extra handful of perlite in there to help with the air space and the draining. We got our super sweet 100s right here that come out of this red Solo cup, and by the looks of it, it looks like it missed the last watering. But would you look at the roots on there? They don't look that great. The plants don't look that great right now. The wind's been snapping around, but we're gonna plant them and wish them well. We'll see how they do from there. We're gonna plant them pretty deep. We'll trim off some of these stems, and we're probably gonna plant them at least 8 inches deep. We'll probably curl the stem around a little bit if we can. Cat in the hat? No. Cat in the box. Hey, Callie. How you doing, Callie? How you doing, Boochie Mama? We got the tomatoes planted, super sweet 100 cherry tomatoes up here. We got some giant creme or crimson tomatoes here, rare from M.I. Gardner. Well, the seeds are. We got super sweet 100 tomatoes over here. Barry's crazy cherry. We have a super sauce tomato, a couple of Tommy Toe tomato, and a couple more things of super sauce tomatoes. And down here we have Midnight Snack. That is a cherry tomatoes. So on the big tomatoes and the cherry tomatoes, I think we got her covered. Look at that bok choy, Suzu bok choy. Oh yeah. This warm but cool weather. Oh yeah, keep it up just a little bit longer. Come on, tomatoes, hold on, take in root. And yeah, for right now, we're not going to add the fresh soil on top. We're going to go ahead and let it settle for a week or so, and then see how much we need to add, or if we need to add anything. I didn't plant tomatoes here. I have extra. Well, there's actually 2 crems right there, or crimson, whatever you want to call them, extra in case one of these tomatoes don't make it, or 2 of them. Any more than that, we'll just find something else to plant there. But carrots, some kind of herb. I'm thinking it was cilantro that I planted here. The chives, not sure. I think that's just weeds popped up there. I made the lettuce video on cheap containers, and that's mostly been a flop. Anytime some lettuce pops up, some birds or something's been eating it. Probably don't recommend using that compost that I used. I'd go for just potting soil. Carrots, radish, snow peas. But yeah, this is going to be it. This is how Old Gear plants his tomatoes here. And we're looking forward to a lot of tomatoes. The Wando peas, the green onions. It's supposed to be Swiss chard. Something keeps on digging in there. And arugula. But yeah, under all that grass right there is decent dirt. It's just Old Gear. It's just Old Gear, and I'm out of here. Till next time, grow some marigolds. Y'all have a good one. Bye for now.